Hello, welcome to Salt and Light Canning. I'm Jessica and this is my kitchen. And today we're not canning. I'm making a laundry scent booster. I made my own laundry detergent in a video before, so check that one out. And I did buy those little laundry bead things, but I stopped buying those. And so I just wanted to try and make a laundry scent booster for our laundry. And I haven't done this before, so it'll be a new experience. But you know what? The laundry detergent worked out great. We're very happy with it. So we're gonna try this. This is gonna make such a mess. So in this container, I am putting Epsom salt. And you could buy Epsom salt like anywhere. I got this at Walmart, but you can buy it anywhere. You shake it down. And then I'm also going to put some essential oils. Now you can do any essential oils you want, or you don't have to do any, do what you want. If you have a blend that you like, then do that. I'm just using some ginger and some orange, but do whatever you like. Now I'm gonna put the lid on. Well, I'll put the rest of this bag in there. Maybe. Close to it. I'm gonna put the lid on and just shake it up. Now, in the research I've done, Epsom salt also acts like a fabric softener. Makes sense because it's what they use for water softener. I'm just going to shake it up, and that's what I'll use as a scent booster. This is probably going to take a while for mixing. But anyway, laundry scent booster. Maybe if you buy those little bead things, give this a try. Let me know what you think. I'll let you know what I think. I know that we love the laundry detergent that I made, and I use it, and I haven't had to buy new detergent since I started using that. So hopefully I'll love this too. If not, at least I didn't spend a ton of money to find out I didn't like it, okay? Essential oils I already had on hand, and I use them for other things around the house. Epsom salt's only a couple bucks. It's worth a try. I mean, one of those little things of the waxy laundry beads is what, like $15, $16 at Costco? It's expensive, and you go through a lot. So if I can help reduce what we're spending and be gentler on our clothes, then I want to do that. Let me know what you think. If you've given this a try, leave me a comment. Let me know what your recipe is and how you like to use it. Hope this blessed you. Hope it inspired you. Don't be afraid to try something new in your house that's maybe not just what you would buy at the store. Be so blessed. Know that you're loved. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.